So I'm making a grilled peach crumble a la mode. But before I put the peaches on the grill, I gotta make the crumble. And to make the crumble, I have to cut up 1 stick of butter into cubes. You gotta have cold butter because you need that good chunks of crumbles to go on top of those grilled peaches. I'm going to use vanilla bean in my crumble. If you can't get your hand on a vanilla bean, you can always use vanilla extract. Right, I'm gonna reserve the other half of my vanilla bean because I'm gonna make a vanilla oil when the peaches go on the grill. I always like a crumble with a nut. Nuts just add that extra bit of texture. And I'm in the South, of course, we gotta use pecans. If you say pecans around me, I will turn a deaf ear to you. A half a cup of rolled oats, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, a half a cup of white flour. The flour just acts as a binding agent, and a heavy pinch of salt. I'm gonna add a half a pinch of cinnamon. It's gonna complement that vanilla bean that I put in here, and it's just gonna give it that classic crumble taste. You don't want to crumble the butter too much because we need it to still have some of that substance so we can get those big chunks. It looks good to me. And just spread it all over the baking sheet. That is what it's supposed to look like. This is why I use the cold butter, to get these nice big pieces of crumble. Alrighty, my oven is preheated to 400 degrees. I'm gonna bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. I think my crumble is done. Ooh, look at that. I could just eat it like how it is. All right, I'm gonna take it outside and get these bad boys on my peaches. I'm assembling my grilled peaches. Simple little coating. A little bit of olive oil, a little vanilla bean, and just brush it. That's it.
Hey, sis.
Don't you hey sis me, you're late.
Well, you know how I go. Sweets before meats. How you doing?
Oh, sweets before meats. That's so cute.
What we got for dessert?
Peaches.
Oh, okay.
Got a little bit of ice cream.
Yeah.
You know, got a little crumble. Gonna place this on the grill. Face down, teach you a thing or two.
You got some olive oil in there? Is that
Got a
what
little
that is?
olive oil, a little bit of vanilla bean, you
Nice.
know. I'm just gonna grill this, you know,
Okay.
until it gets those nice little chars, some grill lines on there. About 3 minutes. These are done. I love using peaches, especially peaches that are in season. They're sweet, they're juicy, they're at the peak of their freshness.
That looks good.
All right.
Top it with some vanilla ice cream, a little crumble. Watch this, watch that action.
Nice. All in.
This is really good, sis.
So good.